What's going on, everyone? Katelyn Macias here, and today we're going to talk about how to get out of a creative rut. We all have them, every artist goes through them, and they suck. But today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to get through those quickly. So let's roll that intro and get right into it. Okay, so tip number 1, take a day break. Now I know this sounds counterintuitive because you're like, I'm in a creative rut. I need to be thinking about ideas 24/7. I need to have my brain working and fired up and trying to pump out great, fantastic. No, okay? You need to take a day break. Take a day, go hang out with your friends, self-care, watch TV, relax. Don't think about ideas or creativity or anything like that. Give your mind some time to reset and rest. Then come back to it a day later. You'll be surprised how much more refreshed you feel. When you're refreshed, that is when you come up with good ideas. So take a day break. It's not gonna kill you, not gonna be the end of the world. Just take a day to rest. Point number 2, use paper and pencil to write down your ideas and thoughts, not a computer, a tablet, or a phone. The reason I say this is because using a phone or some type of electronic device actually limits creativity. It has been scientifically proven that when you use a paper and a pencil, different parts of the brain are activated, and those different parts that are activated is what cause creativity. A study actually showed that when kids used paper and pencil, they were able to generate better and more creative stories than those who use electronic devices. So guys, if you're in a rut, take some paper and pencil, start writing down random words that you think of. For example, if you're trying to make a YouTube video and you're like, I don't know what video I should make, just start writing down camera, photography, landscape, sunset. Oh, wait a minute, how to take better sunset photos. Boom, YouTube idea. So just start writing down words or bullet points, write down thoughts, write down frustrations you might have, because you know what? That's what I did. I said, ugh, I can't get out of this rut. And then I got out of it and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a YouTube video on this. So literally just write down anything, whatever you want. You never know where you're gonna get inspiration from. All right, tip number 3 is ask yourself questions. For example, ask yourself, have I learned anything recently? If so, make a video on what you learned. Do you have anything that you've tried out recently, like a new experience or something? Again, if so, share that. Even if you're a painter, you know, if you recently just went somewhere new and traveled, draw a building or scenery from that new location. Do you have anything that you want to learn or you want to try? If so, you can do multiple things with this. You can record the process of you learning it and applying it and doing like a behind the scenes type thing, or you can go out, learn about it, practice it, and then make a video on how you learn to do this, or give tips and tricks for learning how to do this, or whatever. So just ask yourself questions, answer those questions, make videos based on those answers. Tip number 4, research other artists. Now this is not stealing their ideas, it's not stealing their content, but if you go, for example, on my YouTube channel and you see, oh, she has a photography mistakes and how to fix them video. I want to make a photography mistakes video. I think I have some good photography mistakes that people should watch out for. Boom, go and make a photography mistakes video. It's not gonna have the same tips and content as my photography mistakes video. It's gonna have your own tips and tricks, your own ideas, your own content, but you got the idea from me, and that's totally okay. YouTube creators and artists and painters, they usually share general ideas all the time. For example, you should go and draw a picture of a sunset. I don't know, I keep using sunset examples. I love sunsets, fun fact. But obviously there's a lot of sunset paintings and drawings out there, so it's not like you stole someone else's work. You simply referenced them for an idea and you were like, you know what, I want to do that myself and put my own twist on it. Point number 5 encompasses 3 little ones. First one is tell someone, talk to a friend, a family member, another artist, say, I'm stuck in a creative rut, because sometimes talking to someone will help you not feel alone, and it'll help you kind of stay positive, and it'll help you get through it and overcome it. So just tell someone, talk to someone about it, and that will in turn help you with the second mini point and point number 5, which is stay positive. Every artist goes through this. You're gonna get through it. You're not gonna stay stuck in this rut forever. Everything will be okay. And the last one, continue learning. Oftentimes I feel like artists kind of get in a rut, or they kind of lose a little bit of creativity because they stop learning and they stop pushing themselves. Go watch some YouTube videos, go and read a book, go out and try new techniques, go and try a new editing technique or an editing trick. Always try to learn and always try to push yourself to become better. If you keep doing that, you're always gonna be finding new things to talk about, and new things you're experiencing, and new things you're learning, and you can just make videos on all of that stuff. So never ever start settling, never ever start being comfortable with where you're at. Always try to get better, always push yourself, always learn. So guys, that's it. That's pretty much all the tips I had for you. This is what helped me. I was able to get out of my little creative rut in a day. If these tips and tricks worked for you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.